Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For those who watch, liked, and subscribed to my channel, I just want to say thank you. And if you're new here, I want to say welcome to my channel. I'm also new, so we're starting this whole thing together. We're starting this whole empire together. I just wanted to come here and show you how I did this peachy look. I hope you guys like it. So if you want to see how I did this look, please stay tuned. I'm gonna grab my brown script from MAC and I'm gonna grab my brush. By the way, I already set my face with my concealer, so I don't need to go back and use my eyelid primer to prime my eyelid, if that makes sense. So the brown script is going right here in the eye crease where your eyelid folds. I'm just gonna apply. Just make sure you blend it really, really well. And I'm also like blending it out so we don't have like a harsh line. Just make sure it's blended really, really well. Once again, I'm gonna bring the top of my nose, just blend it out, and then back and forth. Now I'm gonna grab my soft glam from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I'm gonna add sienna. I'm gonna add it to the brown script. So with the same brush, make sure you tap it because sometimes you get fallout. I'm just gonna go right on top. Pretty nice. All right, now we're gonna go back and where's the other palette? I'm actually gonna use the Prism palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I'm using this color called Eden, and I'm gonna use that on my lid. So just grab any fluffy brush that you have or any brush with a flat tip like that, that would do. But I'm just gonna grab any fluffy brush. I'm just gonna add that. I love this color, it's so pretty. Do you feel spring? Because I do. So I'm gonna go back and grab the Soft Glam palette, and I'm going to use Rustic. I'm gonna add that on my inner crease. You can use the same brush, you don't have to change. So we're just gonna use that in the inner corner. Okay, and what happened to my brush? Where did I put it? You know, this is one thing that I don't like when I'm doing makeup and I just drop the brush and I can't find it, nor it's right in front of you. It's pretty annoying. Found it. Oh my gosh. It was right in front of me. See what I'm talking about? It was right in front of me and I was looking for it like literally for like 45 seconds. I'm like, what did I do with the brush? What did I do with the brush? It was right in front of me. So anyway, I'm gonna go back and reapply the Eden on my lid with this bad brush. Just like that. So I'm gonna apply Sienna from the Soft Glam palette, and I'm just gonna apply that underneath my eye. Okay, so now I'm just gonna take any fluffy brush and then just try and blend this out, the upper lid out. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply my highlighter, my cheeks, my nose, and stuff. Make sure you blend it out. Make sure everything's, you blend everything out, because we don't want any harsh lines. So next I'm going to use my waterproof eyeliner from Nicka K. So for the lips, I'm going to do Kylie Jenner and Kristen, and I think I'm gonna top it with Sugar Plump. think I'm gonna bring this color a little bit down. So I'm just gonna add Toast before I apply Sugar Plum. So the Toast is from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I'm just gonna bring it a little bit down. It's too pinky, I think. Okay, and I'm gonna add, what is this again? Sugar Plump on top. It smells so good. So guys, this is the completed spring peachy look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I am going to be uploading videos like this, so if you want to see more, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also like.